Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to talk to you about how to level up fast in Bigo Life. It's very easy guys. So if you're planning to level up so fast in the app, then this video is for you. I'll show you the processes, what it will take for you to actually level up. So let's get started guys. Now the first step to take guys is to open your Bigo Life application, log into your account, and then click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that guys, of course, if you look right here, you're going to see the level option. So tap on that. As you can see right now, I'm at level 3. All right, so I still have some levels to unlock. So how can I actually level up fast? So if I actually want to level up fast, all I have to do guys is to check in. I have to check in on Bigo Life per day. All right, I have to check in on Bigo Life per day, and also I have to watch live videos per day, and also I have to share live room, all right, per day. I have to gift people, I have to send at least 1 diamond, and I have to send at least 1 diamond to people, all right, and also I have to receive gifts from people. So this are actually what I can actually do to upgrade to a new level on Bigo. So that's it guys. So if you can consider these things, if you can start doing these things, then you get the opportunity of leveling up fast on Bigo. So that's it guys. So this is how you can actually do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.